How to change your email here on BTCC wallet. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to change your email on BTCC wallet right here. To change your email on the BTCC wallet right here, all you need to do is open up our BTCC wallet right here. Once we open up our BTCC wallet right here, next thing we need to do is click on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner right there. After pressing the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, so there's two ways of doing this. First way is going to your settings, but this is for the other kind of apps. Not the other kind of apps. It's like the same, but other kind of to call this cell phone. They have the latest version, so some others will find this on their general settings, but mostly not mostly, like 50% might find it right here. So here you will see identity verification. Just below it you will see security settings right there. All you need to do right here is press on security settings right there. After pressing on security settings right here, you will see email right there. Here you can view/change your email right there once you click on view/change. And here you can see disable withdrawal verification, or you will see on the bottom change the email. All you need to do if you want to change the email is click on change the email. After pressing on change the email, you may enter the new email address, then verify now email address, then verify current email address by sending an verification code right there. So once you send the verification code, all you need to do is click on confirm, and then you're done. You have now changed your email. So there. I hope you guys like the video, guys enjoyed. If you have another question, concerns, stop with the question below, guys. Hope to answer as soon as possible here on how to rock it, guys. Anyways, guys, there you go, and thank you, guys.